friends, and welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about how you can make money using the Medium Editor Partner program, my friends. As you can see my screen, this is an official email from official employee Zuri Rain, and I'm going to discuss what she's saying. She's saying on the June 1st, qualifying editors earn 25% of a story if they somehow edit it, and but the writer keeps 100% earnings, my friends. Now, she has specifically mentioned qualifying editors, my friends. Qualifying editors. Uh, Prefer self-publish, feel free continuing to do so. Self-publishing, you can do self-publish stories if edited by another editor, by if you send via draft link to an editor, and he or she if edits your story, maybe you are eligible for uh, for getting that 25% cut. And now don't like about this change conditions. Now the thing is, there is a confusion, my friends, and that's why I'm tagging the official Medium YouTube channel. This email, when you scroll up, say to editor program in June to a group of early publications, and the program opens to all qualifying publications. So there is a confusion, my friends, and I talked to this about a friend of mine, IBAN VDZ. He told me specifically that long story short, my friends, a publication that is eligible for the editor partner program, if an editor is working for an eligible publication that helps you earn money via the editor partner program, must be a topic specific publication, my friends. And I think the minimum topics he was talking about is 3 topics, not more than that, my friends. So I think Illumination and my publication are not eligible for the editor partner programs, even if our editors or the publication owners edit the article inside the publication. This is what's this all about, my friends. But there is a confusion, my friends. There is a confusion, and self publication. I want this. So they say feel free to continue doing so. Self publication, at one side they're saying something, at the other there's something, and I'm sure that a time will come that these confusions will be rectified. But I'm still tagging Medium to this official YouTube channel to this, because somehow I cannot reach help.medium.com. I have a problem with my internet connection, my friends. My ISP is changing my IP after 3-4 days, my friends, and I'm really frustrated. I cannot access help.medium.com, or I would have contact there via their form, my friends, via their contact form. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.